for today's vlog, alam nyo ba, back to back naman ang guesting namin ni Andy. We are so lucky.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Mga Zoops! Hello naman sa inyo. For today's vlog, alam nyo ba, back to back naman ang guesting namin ni Andy. We are so lucky na kami ay kasama dito sa taping ng TikTok Lock Live. Kaya ayan, mapanood nyo kami ng live. Pero after nyo mapanood tong vlog na to, tapos na. Pero pakita namin sa inyo syempre yung behind the scenes.
I'm not sure if I've ever done a live taping. I'm trying to think if there's ever been a time that I've... Oh, well,
You did live.
yung bawal judgmental. Diba live yun?
Ay, Itbulaga dati.
Itbulaga. So I've done it a couple times pala.
Oh, masaya naman ng live kasi mabilis lang.
Sure.
So ayan mga Zoobs, kasama natin ngayon ibang makeup artist si Mark at saka si Curry na late na naman. So ito na, malapit namin sa GMA and of course we will update you kung ano ang kaganapan for today. But for now, preparations muna tayo. Hanapan natin ng parking lot. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa TikTok lot at nag-makeup na tayo. Start na tayo ng preparation kahit na tayo ay masasabugan for today. Sikat yung makeup artist ko ngayon. May write-up yan kay Kylie. Google ninyo. Mark Ibarola, Kylie Padilla. Yan. Isang mata pa lang ang ano.
Kasama ka ba? Buti available ka today.
Busy siya.
Ay, busy ba siya?
I just
What?
arrived
Just arrived from when?
from Australia.
Wow!
Actually,
Busy naman po.
Editing.
Edit.
While we're taping.
Ah,
May love.
live too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
May love.
Yes. Yung kahapon yung tape, di ba? Yung kahapon tape. O live din?
Taping. Real live.
Ang busy mo naman.
Acidic. Okay na.
Ang bilis naman. Tabagay, pogi naman na si Sir Andy. Huwag kang sipsip. Aray naman sa akin. Bardagula na naman with Bessie.
Ang ganda pa yung gawa ni Mark.
Parang hindi naman papasa. Charot. O ano? Hindi niya ginagalingan today.
Balik mo natin si Bessie.
Oo. Bessie. My God.
hindi siya hanapin today.
So nga, nagkatrabaho ng tao. Nagkatrabaho din, no? Paano? Wow! Ganda!
Ganda ng gawa niya today.
Oo, hindi ka tinipid today. Usually kasi, minamadali ka. Pero 30 minutes na lang talaga, magsisimula na. TikTok lang!
Sorry.
Welcome. Nice to
Again, friends, briefly.
I met you before, but
Feel at home. Diana's not foreign here.
yeah. try our best.
I was just a kid when I met you, honey. Working on my daydreams. Down bed wishing you'd come and save me. If only I'd have a time machine back then, I'd see us dancing in the kitchen night. No one thought we could ever make it. Didn't know time could move so fast. 10 years later and I'm still your baby. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing, but I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you and me, of our love. She gon' love you like summer 15. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing, but I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you.
So he is angry sa...
Ang magnanakaw eh, bilang sa kapwa
Living for the weekend, painting pictures, you and me.
Ang galing nila. Uy, naka 3 points naman tayo. Tapos kanina din 3 points. Yun nga lang, 4 points sila.
When they started counting, I couldn't think anymore.
Okay lang. It's fun.
Auntie, no worry. Andito lang ako.
talaga ba? Ano ang atin ba?
Aki! Andi diri siya sa'yo.
Wala si Jason na diesel.
Summer 15, can't see myself without you now, it's overdue. We try to go our separate ways, but I come back, it's true. Maybe we're both missing out on life, playing by the rules. What if I'm changing for the better because of you? Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing, but I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you and me, about our love. She gon' love you like summer 15. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing, but I will be forever young in
Andy, my love. Alam mo, Andy, kanina talaga nahirapan ako sa game kanina.
Okay lang.
Ano?
Dapat you save me.
I know, right? Kasi kasama mo yung wife mo. Dapat hindi mo sinasama yung wife mo. Where is she? I'm going to wipe her away.
Yung wife ko nga,
Nakadalawang bomb. Kumanti ka lang na. Nakailang sabog ka
Hindi,
ba?
pinagbigyan ko siya. Kayo muna, tas kayong dalawa.
Yan eh.
Bongga, oh. Dahil pagpagan mo naman daw, is this work tayo, oh.
We are home! Bahay na kami, mga zoobs. At rest na para sa ating diet until Saturday. Dahil kami ni Andy ay a-attend ng magandang event sa Saturday. Kaya wala kaming pinlano Friday, ng Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Kaya dito lang kami. Hindi, mag-check-in na kami sa Friday para yung event kasi namin nandun banda sa may mga hotel. Mag-check-in na kami dun. Pero sa susunod na vlog na yun, vlog ko yan, sabihin ko naman sa inyo. So for now, magtatanggal na tayo ng makeup. Ang gusto ko lang mag-thank you kay Mark sa pagbibigay niya ng oras today. At syempre kay Curtis sa pagsama sa amin sa TikTok Clock. Are you feeling better?
A little bit. I think I'm ready to eat.
Yeah, I'm so hungry as well. He wasn't feeling good kasi kanina. Halos masuka-suka siya.
3 days straight.
Oo. Kaya rest lang.
It doesn't feel like acid. Just, no, it's weird.
Food poison siguro. I'm so hungry na. So, tanggalin ko na tong ano ko. Naka-hair extensions ako mga zoobs. Oh, magic. That's the magic of the hair. Gutom na ni. Sobra. Nagpaluto na ulit ako ng isda. Kasi ang diet ko ay fish diet.
Alrighty guys, it's been a long day. It's almost 6 p.m. I've almost been up for 12 hours now because we got up early for our live taping, as you saw, for TikTok Clock. We had a lot of fun and we're just really run down now from the end of the day. It's been long and I just dropped off the kids to UP Town because they were getting a little bit bored here at the house and they kept asking us to go to UP Town. But luckily, my mum wanted to go as well, so my mum took them there. I just dropped them off, and I've come back now because the day has not ended yet. We do have a fitting, so I'm going to try some clothes on, and hopefully I will find something that I like. We have an event on Saturday, something that, well, for me, I just found out recently, so that's why I've only just organized my outfit, but hopefully it's something that I want. It's in the color of black, so it's okay. I just hope that the fit is nice and hopefully it's something that will suit the style of the night. But yeah, it's exciting to attend events like this and you'll see what it is in the coming days. But basically it's a big event and there'll be a lot of people there from the industry, so yeah, exciting. And finally I get to get invited to one of these things. Usually it's just Diana, so yeah, I'm coming along this time. But yeah, hopefully I'll find something that I really want. Anyway, later on after the fitting, we will probably go for a walk because we still need to get our cardio in. And the good news is that our weight is actually doing really well. I'm down to the lowest I've recorded in the last few days is, well, which was yesterday, 73 kilos, which from memory is the lightest I've ever been since I left for Australia, which was 4 years ago. Something like that, 4.5 years ago. And Diana got down to, I think she said 55. So yeah, we're really happy with the way everything is going right now. We're well on target and we just got to keep going and hopefully we'll stay within, which is what we want. We want to stay within a good fitness range so that we don't have to always play catch up. But anyway, I'm going to go back into the house, rest a little bit before the stylists come.
Mazulit na ang aking damit na susuotin for gala. So mag-fit na tayo ngayon.
Maganda naman. Preview. Maganda.
So ang goko nito pag
Yeah.
Do you know what shoes you're gonna wear for it? Hindi pa.
hindi pa, inaantay ko nga kasi kung ang ganda ate, ang galing, hindi mo kinorset pero nakuha mo yung shape.
Wow naman. Ang ganda. I like the design.
Ano, no?
Wow, who's this pretty girl? Show me your hair, Lele. Come here. Wow, ang ganda naman. Can I see from the front? Wow, so pretty, oh.
Kasi mag-school na siya para black na ulit yun. You like it?
Ang ganda.
Brown pala, sorry, hindi pala black. Ayaw niya kasi ng black.
Ganda naman. Ganda ni baby girl. You like it?
Yeah.